Best Cruiser Motorcycles 2025, Royal Enfield Shotgun 650. In a bold move into the competitive cruiser motorcycle market, Royal Enfield has unveiled its latest offering, the Shotgun 650, set to hit the streets in 2025. This announcement marks a significant expansion for the iconic Indian motorcycle manufacturer, known for its heritage-inspired designs and reliable performance. The Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 promises to combine classic cruiser aesthetics with modern engineering advancements, appealing to both seasoned riders and newcomers alike. Boasting a powerful 650 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, enthusiasts can expect a balance of torque and smooth power delivery, ideal for long-distance cruising and urban commutes alike. We are thrilled to introduce the Shotgun 650, which embodies Royal Enfield's commitment to craftsmanship and innovation, stated Vinod Dasari, CEO of Royal Enfield. This motorcycle not only pays homage to our rich heritage but also sets a new standard in the cruiser segment with its performance and distinctive styling. Designed to turn heads, the Shotgun 650 features a muscular stance, with chrome accents complementing its retro-inspired bodywork. Comfort has been a priority, with a relaxed riding position and plush seating ensuring a smooth ride over any terrain. Advanced safety features include ABS as standard, providing riders with enhanced control and braking performance. Industry experts have welcomed the Shotgun 650 as a formidable contender in the cruiser market, poised to compete with established brands like Harley-Davidson and Triumph. With its accessible price point and Royal Enfield's reputation for durability, the Shotgun 650 is expected to attract a diverse demographic of riders seeking a blend of style and substance. The cruiser segment is fiercely competitive, but Royal Enfield's Shotgun 650 brings something fresh and compelling to the table, remarked automotive analyst Lisa Chen. Its classic design combined with modern technology makes it a compelling choice for riders looking to make a statement on the road. Anticipation is high among motorcycle enthusiasts worldwide as they eagerly await the official release of the Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 in 2025. With its blend of heritage charm, robust performance, and affordability, the Shotgun 650 aims to carve out a distinctive niche in the cruiser motorcycle market, reinforcing Royal Enfield's status as a global leader in two-wheeled craftsmanship.